What's up, Okinawa Vapors? Nanjo Pete here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Aegis Legend 200 watt box mod from Geek Vape. But first, let's have a vape. Alright folks, here we have the Geek Vape Aegis Legend 200 watt box mod. It is advertised as the indestructible beast. So, and the way they could do this is because the construction, alright? Before we get into all that, let's talk about the dimension on these bad boys. So, they are 90.5 millimeters high by 58.5 millimeters wide by 30.6 millimeters. Takes two 18650 batteries, right? And as you can tell with this construction, they have really big O-rings everywhere. Even up top for the firmware updates and the charging port. They got some really big rubber stoppers and O-rings in this thing. So it is water resistant. I wouldn't say it's waterproof because I think if you fully submerge this thing, it probably wouldn't work. But again, right, it's the indestructible beast. Okay, the 510 pin is built directly into the top, and it's gold plated down in there. All right, and it's held on by these 4 screws. All right, so the chip is the AS chip. All right, that's the I think the Aegis, or the Geek Vape flagship chip. It's real good. It's in a few of the other mods that I've reviewed. The wattage range is 1 to 100 watts. It does have temperature control, 200 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The minimum resistance is 0.05 ohms. It supports all the wire types. All right. It does have TCR mode, so you can change or input your own temperature coefficient and resistance adjustments. It has VPC mode, which is basically you can set your own power curve. It also has bypass mode, which is nice. So if you're like in the mech, mech mods, and you like to build your own coils to a certain ohms to get that certain heat, you can do that also. It's got a 0.91 OLED full color display. Let me grab the other one. I'll show you the display. The body construction is made out of a durable zinc alloy. And again, it has those silicone O-rings where all the buttons are. It does have leather in the grip. It says it has a durable shockproof system inside, so if you drop it, it's not going to damage the chip. It is rated IP67 or 67 dustproof. It has a rocker style firing button, so it kind of feels like it goes up and down a little bit when you hit it. And it's available in all these colors: silver, black, orange, snakeskin, camo, stealth black, and a few others. So let's see how it comes packaged in the box. This is the red version. So you get the mod. You get extra grub screws for the top, those 4 screws I showed you, and another plug for your USB connection in case the one that you have in there falls out or you lose it. And it comes with a charging cable. And then underneath that, it comes with your user manual in many different languages. And lastly, Geek Vape always does this right. Product information, your battery warning card, and it tells you how to use your manufacturer's warranty. Outstanding. All right, so the screen's it's a pretty simple mod. 3 clicks to get into the menu. And then it starts blinking. And then you can go through all your different settings. Power, temp control, TCR. There's your power curve if you want to set it yourself. Bypass, and then back to power. All right, and then you can set your resistance. All right, and then you can also reset your puff counter. But it's fairly simple. It's highly durable. I know it says indestructible, but I think if I had the right resources and enough time, I could probably destroy this thing. But again, though, it's going to be a lot more durable than some of these other mods that are out today. And you can tell it's heavy. It's got a nice feel of quality about it. And it works well. All right, let's go back up top for a vape. And we're back. So, the Aegis Legend. The indestructible beast. Yeah, it is. It is quite heavy. It's constructed well. I think if you're hard on your vapes, this thing is definitely for you. Because it feels like you could really beat the crap out of this thing and it'd last quite a while. I've been running this Skynet tank, right? I still like this thing. And it works well. The screen on it's bright. It does what it needs to do. But the best thing about it is that it's dust-proof, it's waterproof. You can take it, with you if you go to the beach or if you're going to the field or something like that. It is not bad at all. But don't take my word for it. Come on down and check it out for yourself.